Hey, hi, Amanda here, and my very first VeganCuts snack box just arrived on the porch. I was in the middle of eating my dinner. Yeah, the mailman was like, I don't know, he wiped it on his pants or something. It was really weird. But it is here, and I'm excited to open it up and try these things with you. I'm going to try as much as I can. I'm already pretty full because I literally just ate dinner. So let's crack it open and see what we've got here. I've got a little knife. Make sure I don't cut myself. I wish Austin was home to try this stuff with me, but he's actually on the road right now. So, gosh, he shows me every time how to do this, and I always forget. I can't close the knife, whatever. So, box is open and we have VeganCuts snack box. And there's a code for their shop, April Snacks, for $10 off when you shop their shop. And it's got a list of everything in the box right here. So, I'm just going to go in the order that it's packed because that's easiest. So we have Farmhouse Culture Dill Pickle Kraut Crisps with 1 billion probiotics and cultures per serving. So let's see if we can find this one. Farmhouse. Yep, it's just a dill pickle flavored tortilla chip made with probiotic rich kraut. So here's this one. I love dill stuff, so I have a feeling I'm gonna like these. Let's give it a try, if I can open them. Oh my god, what the heck? Why is this so hard to open? Goodness, okay. Oh, there was a little rope tab in the corner, oops. Oh, they smell good already. I'm just going to take a little piece. That's good. I like that. I feel like it needs something like to brighten it. Maybe like a pinch of lime. But overall, I really like these. Very good. Now on to the next snack. This is from Prote's Protein Chips. Tangy Southern Barbecue flavor. Pea-based chips packed with protein and tangy Southern barbecue. So they're like protein chips. That's interesting. This bag opens a lot easier. I like barbecue. I don't want a whole chip. Let me find like a broken corner. Okay. They look, visually, they're really cool looking. More of kind of like a smoky sweet barbecue. But you can taste the proteiny taste, which isn't great. I don't think I'd purchase these, but I'll probably finish the bag. Yeah, not a huge fan of those. Oh, what's this? Okay, this is something I'm not going to open. It's a Go-Go Dippers. Hummus and multi-grain sea salt pita chips with roasted red pepper hummus. Okay. 2-in-1 pack of hummus and pita chips that are perfect pairing for on-the-go snack. And I think that's exactly what I'm going to save it for when we're on the go. But it looks good. Pita and hummus usually don't disappoint, so I'm very curious to try that out. Okay. Next item. It's Bakery on Main is the brand. Tasty granola blend of 9 nuts and seeds, raisins, sweetened cranberries, and bean crisps. So that's fairly self-explanatory. I don't think I'm gonna open this either. It sounds good. I'm gonna save this for like to top a salad with, or some yogurt or something. Vegan yogurt, of course. So yeah, that sounds really good. Nice little blend. I never buy pre-made blends like this. I'll always just, if I want something like this, I'll just make it with the crap I have at home already. So getting these little packets and boxes and stuff is actually kind of nice. It's a little break for myself because I refuse to buy stuff like that. Next we have Justin's Maple Almond Butter. I don't think we need to taste that either. Everyone has tried this, right? Everyone? Yeah. And there's nothing to read on the card that isn't self-explanatory in the name. So, yeah. It's got dry roasted almonds, maple sugar, palm oil, and sea salt. I mean, we could all do without the palm oil, but we've all tried this. I'll like it because I know I already like it, so yeah. And then we have an olive snack pack. Lots of things that are pretty self-explanatory in here that don't need to be like tried. So Mario Camacho premium pitted black manzanilla olives and a dash of sea salt. Wait, you don't need to salt olives. That's weird. But yeah, I'll probably just save this to put on a salad or something. I don't really snack on olives on the go. But I do top my salads, my pasta. I put everything, olives on everything. So yeah. Next we have a brand called Vegetarian Traveler Toasted Bean Blend Tri-Soy Medley. So let's see. Protein-rich medley of crunchy soy and garbanzos to top off salads, soup, yogurt, cereal, and more. And so yeah, it's just like toasted beans. You can see right through there. And that's what the package looks like. Come on, focus. There we go. And then next we have Amazing Raisin. Strawberry infused. Are they strawberry infused raisins? Is that what they are? Strawberry flavor infused chewy raisins without any added sugar. So what are the ingredients then? Raisins, all natural fruit flavor, and citric acid. Okay, that's pretty cool. That'll be a nice little snack to take on the go. I feel like a lot of the stuff is not like things I need to taste. It's all pretty explanatory. Next we have from Scout Backcountry, an organic energy Peruvian chocolate. This is like a bar, it feels like. It says 5 ingredients: chocolate, almonds, pumpkin seeds, dates, and pink Himalayan sea salt. Let me see if the card offers any other information. Organic chocolate bar made from Peruvian chocolate beans. Yeah, it just says everything I just said. So how about we open this one and try it, because that sounds cool. That's not like self-explanatory. So here is the texture, if you can see. Just from like not trying it, just looking at it, it looks like it might be grainy, but let's take a bite and find out. It's actually pretty good. I'm really getting the dates. I'm not really tasting the sea salt, but the pumpkin seeds are whole, so you get a crunch. And the almonds. It's good. I like this. I'm gonna take another bite. Yeah, that's nice. What's the nutritional information on that? That's only 110 calories, so nice little snack. Now I have to finish chewing. I should have put my water closer to me. It's all the way across the room. Okay. Then we have from J. Luherders of Germany. And these are soft candy. I can't talk today. Soft candy fruity flowers. And there's no gelatin in these candies. Gummy snacks made with real fruit juice, no gelatin, or artificial colors or flavors. Fruit candies can be like a real make or break. I don't know how I'm gonna open this. Hold on, where to put that knife at? They're either good or they're awful. So let's try one. And I'm only gonna try one because I know if I don't save these for Austin, he'll be so sad. He loves chewy candies. Let's get a red one. The texture is like perfect. It's not like a get stuck in your teeth chewy candy. The flavor's great. I love these. These are so good. Okay, yeah. J. Lloyd Looters. I'm down with you, bro. That's good stuff. And then I'm not gonna drink this right now. This is the Good Karma dairy-free flax milk with omega-3 and protein. It's the chocolate flavor. Let's see if there's anything to add to that. Where is it? I don't even see it. Hold on. Oh, smooth and creamy chocolate. Why can't I read today? Smooth and creamy chocolate flax milk packed with plant-based protein and omega-3. So I will let you guys know on my new Instagram, Amanda's Vegan Noms. I'll link it down below if I like this or not. Check the stories. I've created 2 story archives, one called Good Shit, Bad Shit. It's pretty self-explanatory, so yeah. I'm very curious as to how that'll turn out. With another bar from True Women, protein-fueled or plant-fueled protein bar in zesty lemon. Let's see, True Women. The decadence of lemon cake. Let's try it. And how many calories is this one? 190, so another decent snack. Also, it's like frosted almost, it looks like. If you can see that. Here's the packaging, what it looks like. Instant true lemon taste right as it goes in your mouth. That's actually really good. And I'm not really getting any proteiny taste from it. That is so good. Wow. And 2 more things. From the Good Bean, we have sea salt fava peas. Or favas and pea. Crispy favas and peas. This is resealable, so I'm definitely going to open this and give these a try. Is there anything on here to include? Nope. Good. They're not too salty, which is nice. Usually when something's labeled sea salt, it's like, whoo, too much salt, but this was actually good. I like these. These will be fun to throw on a salad too. Lots of salad toppers. And then last thing, besides like a card advertisement, is from Nourish and Bloom. It's a whole food shake, decadent plant-powered meal replacement. So it's supposed to replace a meal. This is 210 calories. That doesn't really sound like a meal replacement to me. I guess it depends on what you add in with it. So let's see. Dark chocolate truffle or vanilla spice flavored meal replacement whole food shake. This is the vanilla spice flavor. So I would probably add this in with like a fruit smoothie or something, because I don't think that 210 calories sounds like a whole meal to me. I don't know. But yeah, excited to try that. I'm really pleased with everything. I think I'm most pleased with these 2 bars that came in the pack because they're actually really good. The zesty lemon one and then the Peruvian chocolate. These were amazing. Like, I can't wait to finish eating these, which I'm not going to do right now because I am stuffed, but can't wait to try these. I'm very excited. overall, very pleased with this. This was a really cool box to be my first one. I'm excited to get them every month and share them every month with you. I was thinking that as we go along, maybe I can have different people kind of guest unbox with me, and you guys can sort of meet my friends or Austin. You already know him if you've been around on the channel for a while, but you could see different people, try stuff with me, get different perspectives. But overall, I really enjoyed the box, except these I would not get again. Other things I can't really say for sure, because like I'm not opening everything to try, but yeah, I don't like those. Sorry, my nose is like so itchy. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and if you want to be notified every time I post a video, you can hit the bell button right next to that. I will link VeganCuts down below, and I hope you have a great day. Bye, guys!